Okay, yeah, I just finished twisting my hair into a two-strand twist. Um, I wanted more like a straw set look. So I'm gonna let this pretty much air dry and I will come back with the finished look. So yes, this is the two-strand straw set. And we will see how it goes. And again, I am all natural, no color, no chemical, nothing. And just gonna do a two-strand twist straw set look. Okay? Definitely stay tuned for the finished look. This is your girl Bombshell. So this is the finished look of my twist sets. So yes, I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. And of course, this is the makeup look for today. If you like this look, definitely book with your girl Bombshell. Talk to you in my next video. Bye.